For the B part, so repeat the process also, differentiate implicitly respect to y. So this will be, we keep this on constant and differentiate this one. That will be cos the function, and then times derivative of this inner function respect to y, times this here we have two functions. I've done respect to y, that's times 2, then plus times this one, that's minus 5 dz dx. Okay, it's a chain rule. Okay, then equal to, this is 0 0, then here plus this one is going to be product through respect to y. So I'm differentiating this one first. I'm having cos the function. I'm differentiating this one. I'm keeping this one constant. Okay, then plus. Now keep your y constant and differentiate your cos. So that will be minus sine times derivative of this inner function respect to y. And in that case now, we have these two as a constant. 6x is a constant, so we're only differentiating the z respect to y, and that will be del 0 del y. Now open the brackets, then we have this times this, so that will be 2, then minus this one times this. No, this one is del z del y, then equal to. Then the next thing to do is to move this one to the other side. That will be what? Cos 6 zx. This one to the other side equal to. Now bring your del z del y together. Okay, I'm bringing this one to the other side. Okay, then we have minus here. Okay, just collect like times. Bring your del z del y, bring them together. Okay, so move this one to the other side, and then move this one to the other side. So come and join this one. So finally, make your del z del y the subject, and that will give us this. So that's that on these aspects. You just need to keep practicing. Okay, the more you practice, the better you become. Practice make perfection. If you're watching this video, you need to take your journal, take your pen and your paper, and begin to walk along with the speaker. That is one of the best ways to learn. Okay, you go beyond just watching. You need to practice along with the speaker. Okay, let's not forget there's a watermark on the video. Smash that watermark and subscribe, so that anytime I upload, you get notified, okay, of new updates on this channel. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to watch. Type your comments. I promise you to respond to your comments as soon as possible. Finally, share on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that. The next video will be higher order partial derivative and chain rules.